Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on XPeng, ticker XPEV, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, now we have a price here of $17.48. So that is here very close to a significant squeeze price range here. So we could see a short squeeze for XPeng since we already have here a lot of other short squeezes in the market. So I give you my full chart analysis. Everything what I say here is based on the technicals and not financial advice. Yeah guys, when you see a chart like that for XPeng, we have here a range between $74.49 and the all-time low was $6.18. What do you think? Is this now a bullish or a bearish chart? Give you a few seconds time. Do you think this is bullish or bearish what you see here? I give you my opinion. It depends on where you start to buy this stock here. So we have here a volatility range now, as I said, between $74.49, let's make it simple, $75 and $6. So when we see here the complete range, the complete squeeze range, price range, we talk here about a 10x move, 1100%. So you could do here a 10x move of your portfolio or even more if we see new all-time highs. The problem is that everything what we see here in the chart has, of course, some bearish resistance and bullish support. That's why I say it depends on where you buy this stock. So my opinion is here, I give you of course here all my drawings in the chart, that we have here a very strong bullish liquidity zone and also a bearish resistance, or what I call it in that case here, a make it or break it price level. So what is that? We can see that this price level where we are right now can act like a strong resistance here for XPeng. We had here a strong sell-off when the price traded here at $23. We came all the way back down and had here a 72% sell-off. But you can also see when the price is trading above that level, it can act like a squeeze trigger. So we came back here and had a huge squeeze reaction here twice for XPeng before this massive sell-off here started. This is, in my opinion, guys, not a natural price action. This is made by market makers to shake you out of your positions, to accumulate their positions, get the lowest possible price to force this stock here to squeeze. So what we can see right now here when we talk about the lower price range here, that we also have a volatility range of about in total 280%, which is very high. So if you don't know my channel, what I usually try to do here is, guys, of course, the main purpose is to educate you in trading, but I also try to predict short squeezes here, and XPeng is one of those stocks where I expect a short squeeze to happen, and where I already published a lot of videos here in the past where you see we traded here at the very low price ranges. I explain everything here in detail in a second, guys. But this is also why I make so many videos of XPeng here, because I think we can see here a massive short squeeze and we are very close here to a breakout price level. So this week, guys, or in February, we had already here a lot of short squeezes. I always try to predict short squeezes. That's why I release a lot of stocks on Patreon with high squeeze potential. You can see just here in February, we had squeezes between 150 and 797% after, of course, I released those tickers on Patreon. So this is what I'm doing, guys. And every Sunday I release here my very popular hot stocks, which means these tickers here in my hot stock videos have also very high squeeze potential. You can see here some of the member feedbacks where my members made huge profits here. Not financial advice, guys, there is no guarantee, but as I said, when I release those videos, then I expect these tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. If you also want to see my hidden short squeeze stocks, then you can of course check out our Patreon here. We are a strong and quick growing trading community, and the Patreon full package membership is where you get access to all this content here. And when you click the info card here in the corner, guys, you get access to this Patreon member link. Sorry guys, my voice was gone for a second. So for XPeng, we have the following situation here, that we have a squeeze trigger level here at $18.60. This is the make it or break it price level where I personally expect XPeng here to see a rip. And this is the problem here in that very nice chart picture which we have, that we have this accumulation trend channel pattern here, and the top line of this trend channel pattern and $18.60 acting as a resistance. So when we draw here a line, guys, you can see that these both resistance levels will come very soon. I expect that XPeng is touching these kind of price range here and that could mean that we see here a sell-off incoming. Why do I think that, guys? Why don't we just squeeze? The market situation is, of course, in favor here for a squeeze. As I said, this is what here happened also with my Patreon stocks. We had 2 squeezes here from more than 700%, by the way. But XPeng has, of course, the potential to squeeze much higher. What we have right now is that we have to break these price levels here. Keep that in mind, $18.60, guys. This is the make it or break it price level, and if we want to break that, we need a lot of volume. What XPeng is doing right now, we have here a lot of gap up, so the bulls are still here. It's almost comparable with Palantir. When you saw Palantir stock, they also had their shakeout in the very low price ranges and now squeezed just incredible, guys. And this is the same pattern which we have right now here for XPeng. I would not FOMO in when the price is at that stage of critical price range right now, but when we see how many gap ups we have here in the chart, in the daily chart, this is usually a sign that this ticker here might squeeze. But don't forget, guys, all these open down gaps also can get filled. In the very few next days and weeks, we had the same situation here once, where you see XPeng squeezed also from $7.50 all the way up to $23, and then we came all the way back and closed all these orange gaps here. You can see this gap has been filled, this gap has been filled, and so on, guys. This is the flip coin here, why I say this is a very neutral chart. In my opinion, we have here a strong bullish support, but yeah, I personally just buy, or I try to think like a market maker, and I try these kind of stocks in the very lowest possible price ranges which we have, and this is for XPeng here, this green liquidity box between $7.66 and the all-time low $6.18, guys. Everything between that is very nice here to trade, but as long as we don't see a price over $18.60 with a retest, I would not buy in this asset right now. It's just too dangerous that you burn your money here. Of course, we have also here a lot of upside price calls here. So if we break this price level, then in my opinion, so as soon as we leave this trend channel pattern here and this price level, of course, guys, $28, $31, $37, and so on is possible for XPeng, and we could of course see here a very, very nice short squeeze for this asset. Yeah, everything what you see here, guys, in my chart is based on TradingView. This is the chart program which I use. You can, of course, if you want, copy here the price levels. I will show you here my drawings. The main squeeze trigger zone, or make it or break it price level, is $18.60, and we have here one support at $11.55. And as I said, the main liquidity zone, which is most interesting for me as a trader, is between $7.66 and $6.18, guys. Yeah, so if you want to copy these price levels here, and if you want to get this program, guys, I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. If you click also the info card here in the corner, you get access to the special TradingView discount link. Yeah, guys, let's keep our eyes here on XPeng, if we break $18.60 or not. I will of course update you here, and if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Sorry for my weak voice, guys. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.